Hello friends, this is Nikhil Gautam in front of you and I want to give my presentation on media. So the first question is, what is media? So media is a communication medium and we can get more news very easily, okay, by any means of our country and other countries. So there are many types of media, but there are three main types of media. So the first type of media is print media. So the work of print media is they print the newspapers, magazines and books, okay, and we can know more news and we can get more news from newspapers, okay. But sometimes we read the newspapers, so we can get wrong knowledge of newspapers. So because of the misprints is there in newspapers, okay. So don't think but okay, because of some news is wrong, but more news is very important in our life, okay friends. And the second type is broadcast media. So the work of broadcast media, we can see movies, thrillers, sports and other things, okay. So it is broadcast media. So the two main types of broadcast media, first type is television and second type is radio. So we can easily see movies and sports on television, okay, and we can see only hear any news on radio. So if we compare television to radio, so television is more important and better than to radio, okay. And the third main type of media is internet media. And as you know, and we know about internet media, okay, just like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other, okay. So the internet media is very important in our life because Ukraine and I did mistake, it's like Philistine and Israel war is going on, okay. So media saw and I saw and I can get wrong knowledge because of media, because of Israel is not wrong, but because when I saw the media, so Israel is not wrong, but Israel is wrong and Philistine is correct, okay. So I want to tell, is too much of liberty of media is good or not? So according to me, media has too much of liberty is not good, because media can do anything, increase our TRP, okay. So is too much of liberty of media is not good in our life. And you know about some news are not applicable for children's, okay. And some news the children see the news, so but the news is not important and the news is spoil for children, okay. And you know about, due to the future of India, only children, okay, but due to the future of India is spoiling because of mobile phone. And you know about, and you know mobile phone is a small thing in media, okay, and a small thing of media, okay. So I want to tell demerit and merits of media. So I want to tell merits of media. So the merits of media is we can earn easily more money from media, okay. And the media teach general public, okay. And through media people may put their secret abilities to use, okay. And through media we can do anything and we can do advertisement, okay. But the demerits of India, I said to you, some news are not applicable for children, so it is the demerit of media, okay. And most of the peoples are using TV, phone, so people less interested in radio. So because of the TRP of radio and the importance of radio, okay, is spoiling. So the company of radio is spoiling, so it is not good, because we can earn more money because of radio, and the radio is spoiling our country, so it is not good for people, okay. And I want to tell about importance of media. So as you know, media is very important in our life, because if we don't see the media and we don't see the news, so we can get no more and we can get no important knowledge, okay. So the importance of media is is very high, and I think the importance of media is our life, because if media does not exist, yes, and the second point is, if media does not exist, so what it will be the consequences? Okay, so if media does not exist, so there are two types I want to tell. First, advantages, and second, disadvantages. So the advantages is we can get no wrong knowledge, okay, and advantages is some children, okay, some children are not seeing the wrong news, because of due to the future of India, only children, okay. And I want to tell disadvantages of media, okay. So the disadvantages of media, as you know, okay, what is the disadvantage of media? The disadvantage of media, I said to you, because of the Israel and Palestine war is going on, okay, and other reasons, and media, we can do anything, our increase our TRP, okay. So I want to tell what is the conclusion 8. So from this it is conclusion 8 that, okay, we have to see and hear news of media very thoughtfully and very carefully. So that's how my presentation on media. Thank you for listening to me.